Welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making glazed salmon. Let's get started. Okay, I've rinsed off my salmon and patted them dry. I've also sprayed the bottom of my pan with non-stick spray. So I have some ginger here, and I found that if you freeze your ginger, then you'll always have it. It'll last much longer because I was throwing so much away. And then discovered that freezing it keeps it like forever, almost a long time. So I'm just gonna grate a little bit off. You know it's pretty strong, so don't overuse it. Just do a little bit more. There we go. And I have some garlic. Grate some of that down in there. Sorry about the noise. I have some honey, and my husband knows a guy that has his own honey farm, rather, and so we get our honey from him. Put some of that in there, and I really don't need that much because you see, all I have to do is glaze those 4 pieces. But I can use it for something else, and I'm going to add in some chili sauce. Get down in there, chili sauce. I'm going to add some rice vinegar. Be light-handed because you're going to taste until you get it right. That's about a half a cat full. Excuse me, my hands are a little sticky. I have some ketchup. Let's put some in there. A squirt or so. And remember, you're going to taste this to make sure it's the way you like it. And I have just a little bit of soy sauce in here. I'm just going to pour that in there. I may need a little more. We'll see. And I have some dark soy here. And I have some brown sugar. You don't want it too sweet, but you want it to be sweet. Not super sweet. We're going to put this on the stove. I'm going to cook this down. And let it thicken up, and we're going to taste it to see what else we need. See how it's thickening up? That's what we wanted to do. And it tastes almost perfect. I'm going to add a little more soy sauce. Yeah. I'm going to taste it. I want you to see how it thickened up too. You know, that's how we check for thickness. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm going to let it cool down for a minute, and then we're going to brush our salmon and put it into the oven. By the way, I have my oven heated on 375. Nice and thick, just the way we want. That sauce is so good, it'll make you sing. Okay, I'll let that sit for about 10 minutes maybe. And this is just a regular old paintbrush that I bought. Used it specifically for cooking. I'm just going to paint this on. sides. Gonna use it all up. We don't want to waste it. How good does that look? Delicious. Okay. Let's see. That's it for that. And I've torn off some foil. We're just going to tin it. We don't want it to touch the fish. We just want it to cover it. Not all the way because we don't want it to steam. We want it to cook. But I just don't want it to burn. Now we have the brown sugar in. And I just have tinted it, as you can see. And into the oven we go, maybe for about 25 minutes. Okay, we're out of the oven. Let you see. I don't know if it's close enough or not. And here I just had some rice on the plate and some broccoli. Let's get closer. A piece here. Taste. I think this cooked for about 20 minutes. Tasty. You can't let it cook too long either because it will definitely dry out. If I had let that cook 5 minutes longer, it would have been dry. Okay, there's your glazed salmon. Pretty good. And you guys remember to pray. We need to pray more than ever now. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And until next time, no. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, my tongue is twisted today, share with friends and family, and comment. Tap that subscribe bell and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you so much. And until next time, eat well and stay blessed. Stay safe out there, guys. Wash your hands like they say. You know, we shouldn't have to tell grown people to wash their hands, but we definitely have to tell our children, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. They say keep your hands out of your face and all of that. You know, we have no choice but to follow instruction and hope for the best. Meanwhile, pray, pray, pray. All right, later, guys. Boop. Love ya.